All right, so quick update on all the crazy stuff I'm doing. So I'm going to build myself amongst other things that I'm doing. And I haven't forgot about this bank yet. I still want to run all my pulse motors off of that. And I had built this wooden bank and connected them all in series, but I've since then gotten these logic boards which help to balance the supercapacitors out. It's just a better way of hooking them up. Anyway, here's my new coil winder that I just made. It was actually all parts from the old one I had. And here's the setup for the Newman motor that I'm going to build. And so these guys will fit on here somehow. I'll rig something up. And so one of my questions is I've got a bunch of wire. I've got everything from 20 gauge all the way up to 28. I don't know if Newman motors are better suited for the thinner gauge or the thicker gauge. I'm going to build a small one out of this, like a little prototype, trying the different wires. If I remember correctly, I don't think it matters all that much, or maybe it does. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, here's my new coil winder, which is kind of cool. I had to cut a big slot out of here in order to fit this, the one of the top or the bottom of the Newman motor or Newman, yeah, the Newman motor. And so I can't wait to set that guy up. Here's the housing for the bearings. I made them out of plexiglass or whatever this stuff is, and they'll sit right here, one there, one over here, and then this guy will go on top like that. And then of course the wiring and all that stuff. So yeah, I've got to fix this guy, put one of these logic boards on it that have these the balancing circuitry, um, and then I'm going to get to work wrapping these guys. Probably put a couple of hundred turns on each. But if anybody's watching this and they know if it's better for me to put a larger or smaller gauge wire on the Newman motor, what I have in the chuck right now, or in the coil winder, I think it's like 26 gauge. So it's kind of not at the high end, not at the low end. Anyway, ciao.